It's too close. There we go.
It's cold.
What's in there?
In the cake either.
What kind of cake? Can you turn around and tell Mommy? What kind of cakes did we just make? Three cakes? Did we make cupcakes?
Cupcake.
What kind of cupcake?
Strawberry cake.
Strawberry cake, that's right.
Wafer.
You like baking with Mommy?
I love the bacon, Mommy.
Silly girl. What's that? What's this?
Mommy.
Is that the frosting for the cake?
Frosting the cake. Yeah.
What kind? You can't bite it. What kind is it?
It's chocolate.
No, it's not chocolate. Look at it. What color is that?
Red.
Pink. Pretty close. That's strawberry.
Strawberry cake.
Strawberry frosting on the strawberry cake.
Oh!
Does that sound good?
Cake. I'm cooking fish. They're cooking.
You're cooking. Is it a secret?
No.
No.
No,
Or you have to be quiet because you're cooking?
I have to be quiet. You're cooking.
What are you cooking?
Cooking strawberry cake.
Okay. I won't tell when you're ready.
No.
No. Got the frosting?
Frosting.
Huh. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye, Mama. Okay.